Hello guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple yet useful tutorial video on this channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can download any picture from your from Instagram. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Instagram profile, and here I want to download this picture. So to download this picture, all you have to do is click this share button on the bottom of that picture. Click that share option, and here you can see copy link option. All you have to do is just click that option, and as you can see, the link of this picture has been copied. So now go to your go to any browser. I'm using Chrome, so go to your any browser and just type on the search button save insta, and go there and scroll down a little bit, and you can see the website called save-free.com. Let's click that website and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the paste option here. Just click that the paste that copied link here and click view option here. It will take a few seconds to process, and here you can see the image has shown here. Now click this download image option, and now it will automatically start downloading this image on your device. And you can see my image has been downloaded, and if I open this, that is the image that I downloaded right now. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you in any way. And if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on next one.